Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to the First Step Academy Learn and Grow Educational Medium. In this video, we are going to find solution for the questions asked under the topic called algebra, more specifically factorization, in the CA Foundation Examination 2020 December. As I said that it's a tentative, based on the memory we recalled the questions and we are presenting here. Okay, let me go to the question and we'll find the solution. Question number 1. Solving equation m plus root m is equal to 6 by 25. The value of m works out to option A 2 by 25, option B 1 by 25, option C 3 by 25, option D 1. Now look at the question. They have given an expression called m plus root m is equal to 6 by 25. They are asking us to find out the value of m, right? We'll work it out. We have to do a simple work, and if we factorize those expression, then we'll get, if we factorize that expression, then we'll get the right value. Fine. I'm going to rewrite, right? What's the question? M plus root m is equal to 6 by 25. This is the question, right? Now what I'm going to do in the sense, I'm going to bring this 25, which is in denominator, on the right hand side. So I'm bringing this to the left hand side. So 25 into m plus root m is equal to 6. We got it up, right? Fine. Next, what I'm going to do in the sense, I'm going to multiply this 25 to the two terms available on the left hand side. So 25 into m, 25m, plus 25 into root m, 25 root m, which is equal to 6. We got an expression, right? Good. Here we have to do one thing, that I'm going to assume this root m as x, right? I'm going to assume root m as x. Fine. Now if root m is equal to x, in the sense, if I'm going to square on both sides, then what I'm getting? X squared. Root m square, which is equal to x squared. This square and root m will cancel, so m is equal to x squared, right? I'm going to assume that root m is equal to x. If root m is equal to x, in the sense, m is equal to x squared. So now substitute this root m value and m value into this expression, right? Now what we will get? In place of m, we have to substitute x squared. In place of root m, we have to substitute x, right? Fine. So next, 25x squared, 25x squared plus 25x, which is equal to 6. That's what we got, a new expression, right? We got 25m plus 25 root m is equal to 6. I'm assuming root m is x. If root m is x, then m is x squared. So I'm substituting these two values in this expression. So 25x squared in place of m, x squared, plus 25x in place of root m, x, which is equal to 6. I'm again bringing this 6 to the left hand side. So 25x squared plus 25x minus 6 is equal to 0. Exactly, we got a right expression to factorize it, right? If we factorize, then we'll get the value. Fine. How do we factorize it? Look at this expression, 25x squared plus 25x minus 6. Now look at here, we have a value. Hence what we need to do, we have to take up this value and we have to multiply with this. So if we multiply 25 into 6, 25 into 6 is 150. So we have to assume that the value over here is 150. So now based on that, we are going to factorize. So what's the expression? 25x squared plus 25x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have value here. So this value we need to multiply with the final constant value, that is called 6. So 25 into 6 is 150, means minus 6. Hence 25 into minus 6 is minus 150. Now what we have to do? Now look at the center term, x term is 25. So when we add two terms, that should provide the value of 25. In case if I am multiplying those two terms, that should provide minus 150. So what the value will get? Yeah, 30 and minus 5. Look at 30 into minus 5 will provide minus 150, where 30 minus 5 will provide, if I add these two numbers, I will get 25. Hence, we got two values, 30 and minus 5. So, in place of 25x, we have to write in this way. So, we have to split this 25x into 30x minus 5x. Fine. I'm going to write 25x squared. In place of 25x, I'm going to write as minus 5x and plus 30x minus 6 is equal to 0, right? This is the form that we got, right? Now just simplify it and we'll get the value. How do we simplify now? Look at these two terms, first two terms. So what is a common term available? 5x is available. So 5x is a common. I'm taking outside. So now what's the remaining? 5x is remaining minus 1. Am I right? So in these two terms, 25x squared minus 5x. So in this 5x is a common one that I'm taking outside. So if I take 5x outside, so here 5x will be remain, here minus 1. Let it be. Here what the value I'm going to take? I'm going to take minus 6. I'm going to take minus 6 is a common. So minus 6 if I'm taking outside. So here we'll get, I'm going to take plus 6, not minus 6, plus 6. Hence 6 into 5 is 30. So in 5x will be remain in this place, minus in this place 1, which is equal to 0. In these two terms, if I take plus 6 as common outside, then 5x minus 1 will be remain, right? Now 5x minus 1 is common, I'm taking outside. So 5x minus 1. Rest of things 5x plus 6, which is equal to 0. Now we got two factors that is called 5x minus 1 and 5x plus 6. So this can be write as 5x minus 1 is equal to 0, where 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Right? We can able to write. Now solve this. So minus 1 if it is go this side. So 5x is equal to plus 1, where x is equal to 1 by 5, because 5 when it go to the right hand side, it is in product in the left hand side. When it go to the right hand side, it will become division. So x is equal to 1 by 5. We got the value. Next in this 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to plus 6 when it go to the right hand side, minus 6. Then x is equal to, it is in product, when it go to the right hand side, it will become division. So minus 6 by 5. We got two values. So look at the two values. One value is positive value, that is 1 by 5. The other value is negative value, that is 6 by 5. Definitely in this expression, negative value will not be exist. Hence we can rule out this value and we can take only this value. So we got x as 1 by 5, right? Now we have to be very careful. 1 by 5 is not answer. So look at the assumptions what we made. X is root m, where x squared is m. They are asking us to find out only the value of m. Look at the question. They are asking us to find out only the value of m. Hence what we have to do? We have to take up the assumption. So we assume that m is equal to x squared, where x we found. So m is equal to x squared. We know the value of x. X is 1 by 5 whole square. So m is equal to, what the value? 1 by 5 whole square is 1 by 25, because 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25. M is equal to 1 by 25. So value of m in the given question is 1 by 25. Now look at the question. What is the answer? So solving the equation m plus root m is equal to 6 by 25. The value of m works out to, in the given option, the answer is 1 by 25. So option B, 1 by 25 is the right answer. Hope you understand. It's a simple algebraic problem, only the factorizing. If you know the factorization, then will be much easy. We can easily work it out. Fine? Good. We'll go to the other question. The second question. Solving equation 3g squared minus 14g plus 16 is equal to 0. We get roots as. So if you are solving this equation, what are the roots we get? That's what exactly the question. The given options: option A 0, option B plus or minus 5, option C 8 and 2 by 3, option D 2 and 8 by 3. So the given expression is 3g squared minus 14g plus 16 is equal to 0. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the expression. So 3g squared minus 14g plus 16 is equal to 0. It's a direct factorization method, so you can easily work it out, right? Now look at in the square term. The square term we have a number, so this number we need to multiply with this constant. Hence 3 into 16 is 48, right? 3 into 16 is 48. Now look at this x term, it is minus 14, so I'm taking up minus 14. Now what we have to do, when I'm multiplying the two number, I have to get 48 plus 48, and if I add those two number, then I should get minus 14. Just think of what the number will come. Yes, of course, 8 and 6 means minus 8 and minus 6. So 8 6 are 48. Minus 8 into minus 6 is plus 48, and minus 8 plus minus 6 is minus 14. We'll get it out, right? Fine. We got the value now. Easily we can solve this. Now what I'm going to write is 3g squared minus 6g. We have to split this x parameter into as a two terms what we found here. So minus 6 and minus 8 we got. So minus 6g minus 8g plus 16 is equal to 0. That's it. Look at the first two terms and other two terms. Take out the common term, and then we can easily find the roots, right? Fine. Look at the first two terms, 3g squared minus 6g. Which one is common? The common thing is 3g, right? 3g, right? 3g, if I take outside, g will remain here, minus 2, right? Am I right? 3g into g is 3g squared, minus 3g into 2 is minus 6, minus 6g. 3g into minus 2 is minus 6g. Fine. In these two terms, which one is common? 8g is common. We can take 8g outside. Minus 8g I'm taking outside. Sorry, not 8g. I'm going to take only minus 8, not g. So common thing is minus 8. So I'm taking minus 8 outside. So g minus 2, which is equal to 0. Look at minus 8 into g minus 8g, minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16. That's what minus symbol here, right? Fine. Look at this expression. Which one is common? G minus 2 is common. I'm taking outside. G minus 2. The rest of things are 3g minus 8, which is equal to 0. Got the value, right? Now, as like general method, g minus 2 is equal to 0. 3g minus 8 is equal to 0. These are the three roots. G minus 2 is equal to 0, as well as 3g minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, bring this minus 2 to the right hand side. So g is equal to 2. This is one root. The other root, 3g minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 8 if I am bringing to the right hand side. So 3g is equal to 8. Now 3 will come to the right hand side. So it is in product on the left hand side. When it comes to the right hand side, it will become division. So g is equal to 8 by 3. So the other root is 8 by 3. The one root is 2. The other root is 8 by 3. So we got two roots. Look at the question now. So solving equation 3g squared minus 14g plus 16 is equal to 0. We get roots as, what are the roots we got? Yes, g is equal to 2 and g is equal to 8 by 3. Hence option D, 2 and 8 by 3 is the right answer for this particular question, right? So option D is the right answer. Hope you understand. Fine. We have one more question. That is also under factorization method. Fine. We'll go to that question. The third one. If 2x squared minus a plus 6 into 2x plus 12a is equal to 0, then roots are given options. Option A 4 and a squared. Option B 6 and a. Option C 3 and 2a. Option D 6 and 3a. This is also factorization method only we have to find. but it's a simple thing, but the presence of mind is much important, right? Fine, good. We'll write the expression 2x squared minus a plus 6 into 2x plus 12a is equal to 0. This is an expression given. Now look at, in this expression I'm bringing 2 alone inside this bracket. So 2x squared minus what you can say 2a plus 6 into 2 12 into x plus 12a is equal to 0. We got in a perfect expression called 2x squared minus 2a plus 12 into x plus 2a. Now by the regular factorization method we can able to do, but it is very simple. Directly they themselves given the way to find the answer. Even though for learning purpose we'll do, look at the term x squared term. We have a constant 2 here and we have a constant term is 12a. So 2 into 12 is 24. So 24a, right? Let it be. Here minus sign is there. If minus sign will come inside, so minus 2a and minus 12 will be there. Minus 2a minus 12. So if I multiply the two terms, it should provide plus 24. If I add those two terms, will provide minus 2a and minus 12. What the value? Same. They have given here itself, right? Two terms, minus 2a minus 12, right? That's the term that we need to find. Actually, we don't want to do these steps. They have directly given here itself. We can split it up and we can work it out. But for the learning purpose, we have seen this also. Fine, good. Now what I'm going to do, in the sense I'm bringing x inside. So 2x squared minus 2ax. Then what we can get, plus 12x plus 12a is equal to 0. Okay, this is what we got. Now look at these two parameters. They're the same. Minus 2a and plus, sorry, here minus, not plus. I'm wrong here. Here minus 2a and minus 12 exactly we got here also. But we don't want to go to this step in this problem. They have given directly here itself. Just for learning purpose, we got it out. Means we have seen this also, right? Fine. We got the expression 2x squared minus 2ax minus 12x plus 12a is equal to 0. Now look at these two terms. Which one is common here, in the sense 2x is common, right? I'm taking 2x outside. Sorry. Which one is common here? 2x is common. I'm taking 2x outside. Fine. So x minus a is there inside. Fine. In these two terms, which one is common? Yeah, 12 is common. The two minus 12 I'm taking outside. So minus 12. So x minus a will be remains. So 2x I'm taking outside. So 2x into x is 2x squared. 2x minus a is minus 2ax. Minus 12 I'm taking outside here. So minus 12 into x is minus 12x. Minus 12 into minus a is plus 12a. You got it right? Fine. Now what are the common, which one is common in this expression, in the sense x minus a is common. I'm taking outside x minus a, and rest of things is 2x minus 12, which is equal to 0. Now as usual method, x minus a is equal to 0. 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now minus a, if it come to the right hand side, it will become plus a. So x is equal to a. This is one root. And the other way, 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. When minus 2 will come to this side, so 2x is equal to plus 12. Where if you want to find x, so we have to bring this 2 to the right hand side. So that will become division. So 12 by 2. So x is equal to 6. So we got two roots. One root is x is equal to a. The other root is x is equal to 6. So one root is a, other root is 6. Hence the value, the answer is a and 6. Am I right? Fine. Look at the question. If 2x squared minus a plus x into 2x plus 12a is equal to 0, then roots are, the answer is a and 6 or 6 and a. Which one is given here? 6 and a. This is the option given. So option B is the right answer. What's the answer? Option B is the right answer. Hope you understand all the problem we discussed in this part. If you like this video, kindly share it, comment it, as well as don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again. This is your The First Step Academy Learn and Grow Educational Medium.